Hey, what's up, guys? Today I am playing Roblox like usual, and I have my mic on like usual, and I'm playing with another guy like usual. Introduce yourself, bro.
I am Gaming Kid. That's my YouTube channel. And my Roblox user.
Oh my God, I fell off. Sorry, I fell off. I'm coming back up.
Oh.
I fell off. They couldn't see your face because they're shooting the shark, and
What?
they couldn't see your face because they're choosing the next shark. Oh, there you are. Well, this is Bad Guy, and I'm playing with him for like most of the videos, right? Most of them.
Yeah.
I am not going to be picked anyway, so yeah, knew it. So how you doing? Oh my God, how you doing, Bad Guy?
I'm gonna have a higher success rate on my belt.
Oh wait, join me. I invited you.
Join me.
Fine, I joined you.
We're gonna get as much people as we can.
Okay, guys, y'all can see his face when I do this. But how you doing, Bad Guy? How you doing? How you doing, Bad Guy? And he's actually the Bad Guy's actually making a live stream right now.
Wanna look at my weapon?
No. Bad Guy's actually making a live stream right now. Oh my God. So he's mostly not gonna be around. Just kidding. Wait, I wanna. No. Give me this. No.
Okay, you pilot. Fine.
Yay! I wanna run over the shark. Make sure to go. Oh yeah, guys, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and make sure to go follow my friend I'm playing with right now. His YouTube channel is gonna be in the link description below, and yeah. So wait, what happened?
Oh,
what happened, dude?
You left the game.
Yeah, so make sure to subscribe if y'all are enjoying this, and oh, there he is. There's his face. Okay, so this is the guy that I was talking about.
Yep.
Wait.
Roblox guy compared to the non-Roblox guy. Dab.
Dude, why isn't this doing it?
Dab.
The controls are weird. I want to restart. Oh, we can't restart our character.
Oh, reset.
You didn't notice that? So how you doing, dude?
What?
Oh yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe to his channel. Yeah, I already said that.
Look at all those panels right there. They're stuck together. It's like clogging up.
Yeah, wait, guys. I want to do something quick. Sorry, guys. There was an interruption, but I couldn't turn my mouse like that, like this, and like I had to restart. I had to rejoin. So I'm back in, but I'm not playing. How much teeth do you have, dude?
What?
How much teeth do you have?
Sure. Teeth have 50. I spent it on a pirate ship. That I didn't really need.
How much you had to get for the bazooka? 150.
No, that takes like 150. Not really that much.
Dude, how much Robux do you have?
How much? I don't have it.
Do you die? You okay, bro? Oh my God, I can see you. What's up?
Oh my God.
Wait for me. I'm over here.
Get out of the place. Get on my boat.
Oh, I will. Wait. I'm right here. I'm coming. Do you see me? Do you see me right here? I'm jumping right here. See me?
Get on.
I'm trying. How do you get on? Wait, come closer to the island.
I can't come any closer. Just try to get on.
No, I can't go. It won't let me. It has an invisible wall. No.
Oh, you can't jump out? Oh. I'm gonna try to run over this boat.
Wait.
They stole my people.
Yeah, you can't go anywhere. Wait, can I swim around the barrier? Can I swim under the barrier? Wait, can I?
Let's grab the barrier.
No, I can't. It's an invisible barrier. I can't stop.
Oh, I think I can get into your spot. I think I can get in there.
Oh my God, yeah, I think so, yeah. Do you see me right here? Do you see me right here?
I'm gonna try to get in.
You see me right here? I'm right here. No, you can't. You can't.
I get closer.
Dude, why won't it let me go?
Oh, I think I just heard shark music. And the sharks in there. It's like.
Oh my god, hurry up.
I can get up.
Okay, dude, what, you're gonna start streaming, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna stream.
There's an invisible barrier,
Wait, can you, read
I'm
the
coming.
chat for my stream?
Can I read
the chat for the stream?
the super chats?
They use like an actual program to stream.
Wait, they super chat you?
Yeah. OBS. Image. Oh, no, don't. No.
Dude, how do you get so much Robux? I have 0. Dude, join my boat. Join me.
Okay.
Join, yeah.
I can upgrade our boat.
Huh?
Upgrade our boat to go up. Oh, okay.
I know, sorry, I'm poor. I know. I just started this game.
Wait, stop talking.
Me?
It's obviously
okay. Yeah.
What? No. Hands up, then maybe. Then get there's times up, it's gonna get
Sorry guys, I didn't have the volume up.
No, that.
You wanna drive?
No. No. Wait, and then I just gotta. The stream, it started. Okay, we got it all sorted out. I think it's working. No, it's not working.
Guys, it's like, we're almost done, but he's like doing a stream.
Oh, wait, it is working.
Oh god, wait.
Mr. That orange. Hey guys, we're here with Zoe_1. That's his username, and who's your favorite YouTuber? Right here.
Ow, god. Dang. Ow, whoa. Oh hey guys. We're having a little bit, our boat flipped, so, what do you want to do? I saw a jet ski.
Should have used my watch.
Oh, please tell me we can go on land. No. Oh, please tell me. No, we can't.
I'm kind of on the land right now. I'm actually kind of on the land.
Here, I'll bring the jet ski right here over you to you.
Oh, let's try that. Oh,
wait, are you making a video right now?
Hey.
God, no, this guy needs to pick us up. Help. Wait, help.
I'm coming.
Wait, you have a boat?
Get on boat. Don't tell me to not leave.
Don't leave yet.
Can
I drive to? No, he left. Did he leave without you? Oh, okay, good. Where are they shooting at? Are you a fluffy unicorn? No. How much time do you have of the video? Because I only have 15 minutes.
I have unlimited.
You're doing a live stream right now?
Yeah, I'm sure. I have unlimited time.
Dude, how do you get so much Robux? I only have like 2. I mean 0. I mean 0, dude. Where's that stupid shark? No, wait, no, don't leave without me. No, no.
Again, I'm gonna hit rope. See? I can't run. Oh no, I'm gonna do it.
Dude, how do you get so much how do you get so much Robux again?
Oh no, Chunky Boys after us. Attack. Chunky Boys. He's coming after us.
Wait, he is the shark?
Yeah.
I'm showing the guy if I can drive, please. Because I want to go after the shark.
Where is he? Where? Oh, we're gonna go eat.
Please, please.
Unicorn.
Are you a fluffy unicorn? No. No, I fell out. No. Oh my god, you're driving out without me. Dude.
Wait.
I want to die. Bye.
Okay.
I want to go all the way to the bottom.
Come up.
I want to shoot the shark. Where is he?
Remember confusing stream.
Yeah, another one. Where you at, dude?
So it's not.
Did your mom get you some Robux?
What?
Did your mom get you Robux?
No.
You got yourself Robux?
Not myself, like.
How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? How? Oh.
$9. I can buy like 12,000 Robux if I want to right now.
Yeah, please. Can you go on my account and give me some Robux, please? Cause I have trashy clothes. No? Okay. Okay, dude, how old do you think I?
Me, it's.
Oh my god, no. No way, no.
I'm really good at being the shark. Like,
Dude, how old do you think I am? How old do you think I am? How old do you think I am, dude? I'm 11. How old are you? Exactly.
I'm gonna have to kill you. Like,
Me? Me? You're gonna have to kill me?
yeah, I'll kill you.
No. No! God, no, please, no. Batman, what's your real name, Batman? What's your real name? So I don't have to call you by Batman? My real name is Silas. You don't know where I am. You don't know where I am. You do not know where I am. I ran over someone. You have no clue where I am. Dude, how old are you? Oh God, that's me. No. God, no, please, no. Help me. Where you at? Somewhere. Oh God, dang, that scared me. I'm still touching the seat. Oh God, I can see your so big mouth. Oh God, damn. How'd you get me? Oh, unfortunately, guys, this is how it's gonna end. So make sure to subscribe and make sure to subscribe to the other person in my channel. And bye, peace.